And here's your 58 Chevy Pickup, which you can see big difference from the 57. And looks like he shaved some of the emblems off there. I think there was something on the hood that said something originally, probably, and on the fenders. Cleaned it up quite a bit. I assume. I think so. Nice, man. Very nice. Oh. He's got his own captain seats in here. Looks like they're all leather. Ooh, that thing's been decked out. That's a nice wheel. Like with it's an aftermarket wheel, but man, it really goes in here really sweet. Sometimes people don't think about when they put an aftermarket wheel in it. It goes very, very good with this truck. With the way it's, you could see the instrumentation through it. You know, it's like it's an old style with the Chevy emblem in it. It's got the old style with the wood. It's a nice aftermarket wheel. It's an aftermarket steering column too. It's automatic. Hey, fleet side. Fleet side with a Class 3 trailer hitch with the little thing in there for a reflector. Now my El Camino, I'll make sure I keep my trailer hitch that goes up like this with the ball on it. Because anybody rear ends me on that car, they're going to make sure they get their radiator punctured real good. And the whole front end messed up bad. Because I don't want them rear ending me on that car. You know, I put plasma tail lights in there. Better see me, man. Like all kinds of stuff on the back of the freaking tailgate. It says, "Don't tread on me," with a snake and a Confederate flag. And well, I'll finish up on a 58 Chevy. I just said I changed the batteries in my camera, so it won't last so long. But yeah, he's got a nice bumper on here with a point on it. That should keep him from getting rear-ended. I always liked that big step bumper on my old pickup truck too. I used to have. I had a 66 3/4 ton. Of course, every time I change batteries on the camera, I used to have some problems, right, sometimes. But I had a 66 3/4 ton Dodge pickup. Big heavy steel girder in the back. I think it wasn't a step bumper. I think it was a girder. And the other one was the 81. The 81 step bumper. You like those to have those in the truck because people don't like to tailgate step bumpers, especially when they're higher up. You know what I mean? I know.